Pulleys trade pulling force for distance, making heavy loads easier to lift. A fixed pulley changes the force direction but ideally gives no force advantage. With one movable pulley, two rope sections support the load, so each carries half its weight. The trade-off is distance. Pull 2 meters of rope to raise the load by 1 meter. A block and tackle adds supporting rope sections, reducing the ideal input force further. Real pulleys have friction, bending losses, and moving mass, so the actual advantage is smaller. Count supporting strands, then remember, less force always means more rope travel.